An excellent all-purpose cleaner is a secret weapon in your cleaning arsenal. Not only are they safe to use on a wide variety of surfaces, but the best ones will cut through grease and wipe up grime without harsh scrubbing or leaving any residue behind. Spray cleaners are usually best for small, targeted areas like walls, counters, and stovetops, while dilutable are well suited for big jobs and cleaning large areas. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. The VEO Active-Probiotics is a new way of cleaning that uses probiotics to biodegrade dirt and grime deep within the cracks and crevices of your surfaces. It uses the cutting-edge science of active probiotics to biodegrade dirt and grime for a deeper, long-lasting clean as you've never seen. Also, it helps contribute to the balancing of the home microbiome, leading to an ideal home environment. The sustainable bottle uses 95% post-consumer recycled plastic, further reducing the impact on the planet. On the other hand, it uses a removable label that helps consumers properly recycle the packaging. The Clorox Scentiva Multi-Surface Cleaner combines the trusted cleaning and disinfection power of Clorox and leaving behind fabulous Hawaiian sunshine that transforms your entire home. This intense scented, all-purpose cleaner is bleach-free and has no chemical scent at all. And you can use this all-purpose cleaner for garbage cans, kitchen countertops, sinks, and appliances. This spray cleaner removes soap scum, dirt, and grime from a variety of household surfaces, including tile-finished hardwood mirrors and glass. Additionally, it is perfect for use on the garbage cans, kitchen counters, sinks, and appliances, delivering a powerful, bleach-free formula without the harsh chemical smells. Further, this cleaning spray powers through tough grease and soap scum, providing the multi-surface cleaner every household needs to sparkle and smell sensational. The Simple Pleasures Multi-Surface Cleaner has a unique formulation of scented dish soap, hand soap, and multi-purpose surface cleaner that have all been backed by the Good Housekeeping seal. This scented multi-surface cleaner is suitable for use on finished wood, ceramic tile, sealed granite, countertops, appliances, and laminate. Also, this cleaner offers a light scent that leaves your hands gently scented, as well as your dishes and surfaces fresh and clean. On the other hand, it uses a 100% recyclable bottle, so you can stay green while you clean all around the house. The Purell Multi-Surface Disinfectant Spray is formulated to kill 99.9% of germs on the surfaces you touch. You can use it with confidence on food prep surfaces, kids' toys, near pets, and on hard and soft surfaces throughout your home. This cleaner does not require water rinse. No harsh chemicals found in traditional surface disinfectants and cleaners. You can kill the cold and flu viruses, norovirus, E. coli, and many other common germs in just 30 seconds with this cleaner. It holds the EPA's Designed for the Environment certification, is a revolutionary alcohol-based patented formula designed to disinfect and clean both hard and soft surfaces. Moreover, this product can be used for tasks where traditional disinfectants cannot, including sanitizing high chairs, disinfecting pet bowls. Mr. Clean Liquid All-Purpose Cleaner is one of the most powerful multi-surface cleaners that cut through grease and get the big jobs done quickly. It works all around the house, on everything from linoleum to tile, and finished hardwood floors, to toilets and bathtubs, and even garbage cans. This liquid cleaner that removes grime and leaves a light, fresh scent as you go. The quick clean and fresh scent you'll get with this multi-purpose cleaner is almost as refreshing as the time it frees up. You can eliminate odors and grime with the smell of fresh spring rain. Simple Green All-Purpose Cleaner is so versatile that it can be used either diluted or at full strength, both indoors and outdoors, and for heavy, average, or light cleaning jobs. The orally non-toxic and biodegradable formula easily removes tough dirt and grime without chemicals that can harm people and the environment. Its concentrated formula provides up to 30 times the cleaning value. You can use it full strength for massive messes, or quickly dilute it with water for daily cleaning. Also, it removes built-up dirt, grease, food spills, ink, pet stains, and other tough grime, indoors and out. For use on floors, carpets, walls, countertops, appliances, furniture, fabric, tools, and more. This versatile all-purpose cleaner can easily replace a cupboard full of harsh cleaners, detergents, degreasers, and laundry pre-soaks, making cleanup simple and safer. This video was about the best all-purpose cleaners. Show us your love by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day.